New Kia Tasman electric roller shutter from Erolla. Press the factory key, unlock 3 times. And it opens. Inside the cab, inside the tub, there is another switch. Which opens and closes. We also have in-cabin operation, unlocks 3 times on your door. And then you also get an app with the live view of where your roller shutter is. And also an additional 2 factory remote controls that control the light and the shutter. This one has optional sports bars, or you can have it without sports bars.